Yo, 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 yo. What's up? What's happening? What's going on? It's your boy Shane Wayne. Welcome to the blog. You already know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified when I drop these videos. All right, man. I got another Diddy update, right? So this is reported by TMZ, right? So Diddy's prosecutors are under pressure to get victim number 3 to testify in court. So I'm gonna read this report, then we're gonna get into it. So federal prosecutors are under pressure relating to one of their star witnesses in the Diddy trial because they revealed in court today they may not be bringing an alleged victim into the courtroom to testify. The alleged victim in question is a woman, and the feds revealed Monday the woman does not live close to New York City where the trial is being held, and that they say that she's told the courts that she might not be able to show up despite being summoned. Prosecutors claim they are having difficulty contacting the woman and her attorney, and the judge asked lead prosecutor Maureen Comey if the prosecution planned to drop the woman's name in the opening statements. So, with that being said, right, that's a good look for Diddy. You get what I'm saying? If this person doesn't show up, but then it could also be looked at the way as though, okay, yeah, they saying that she doesn't live close. It could be maybe she got threatened. Maybe she's in fear for her life now, so she don't want no parts of it. She wanted to go through with it. Now, when it's crunch time, she don't want to go through with it. Maybe it was a lie. You get what I'm saying? Either way, that's one less thing that he got to worry about. Now, I'm not saying that these other victims, they're not gonna show up and take the stand, because I already know Cassie is. You get what I'm saying? I think that's like the number. I think she's number one. So, but it helps the case. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, he still got witnesses. So it's just interesting to how this is gonna be, and then they're going through the process now of trying to find the right selection of people to be on the jury. Right? I was listening to some stuff. I saw some stuff on the internet, and basically they want this to last no more than like 8 weeks. So I think they're gonna actually officially start the trial sometime next week, I believe. Diddy made a comment. He told the judge that he's very nervous right now. That was a viral moment I saw all over the internet. Like I said, this right here can definitely help him out in a way, because you don't have one of your key witnesses to take the stand because of where they are, so they say. You know what I mean? Even off of getting subpoenaed. So that's one less of an argument that his attorney has to like put up a fight for. Still got to put up the fight against Cassie, but in a sense with Cassie, it's still gonna be looked upon too. Like, yeah, you was in a relationship with him, so they're gonna paint the narrative like it was consensual. Whether she gets out there, she said what she want to say. They had the video footage, I think, from CNN. Now, I heard that they're not using that video footage from CNN, but the actual real live footage, I guess it was like snippets to it. So don't get it confused, like they're not using the video, audio, whatever you want to call it, of Diddy at the hotel putting the beats on Cassie. Not trying to be funny, but I'm just being honest. So it's gonna be a lot of things that, like I say, is gonna outweigh like his Diddy's defensive. You know what I'm saying? I'm a swinger. I like to have parties. Everybody was consensual with the whole us, you know, having these Diddy parties and these freak offs with the baby oil and whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop. But you still got all this RICO, this racketeering, you flying out prostitutes, you kicking out money. Remember, Cassie used to set these up, allegedly. Other people used to set these up, allegedly. You got porn stars allegedly trying to sue him. So it's gonna be definitely gonna be a lot. Like, and this is gonna be one of the biggest, I feel like, trials in history. Like, I feel like this is gonna be bigger than the OJ situation. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's Diddy, bro. Like, and I was listening to some people, like, it was, I forgot one of the reporter names. She was like asking like what was the people energy who might be the juries for this trial. They was just looking at him like he was a regular person. It wasn't no hype over Diddy, and I think it's no hype over Diddy because he ain't Diddy right now. Like, you state property right now. You get what I'm saying? You're fighting the feds, the state, whatever you want to call it. So like, people don't look at you like you like this right now. People really looking at you like you beneath them. But we gonna see how this trial go out. Now, I was wrong. I thought they was gonna stretch Diddy out, but Diddy demanded that they started Money Talk BS. Well, I just hope his defense is ready, because from what I was hearing, Brian still didn't say too much because he had just jumped on it. You get what I'm saying? So he got to get his time to get all his information together and what he got to say. But I heard Diddy got like 8 lawyers. That's crazy. Diddy got 8 attorneys on this. So I don't know who's going to be the actual voice, the advocate. But that's definitely going to be one argument that they're going to use against the prosecutors, that this person didn't, take the stand. But then the prosecutors could come back, the person, whoop-de-whoop, might be in fear for their life. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, you think about it, too, though. Like, if you was really a juror, like, being on the jury, like, yeah, you're going to have a viral moment. You're going to have something to say. You could write a book. You could do podcasts on it, though. But what about the jacket off of you going against Diddy? You know what I'm saying? You know Diddy a powerful man. What if he, you know what I'm saying? Allegedly. I'm just saying. Some people, they get like that. I'm not saying this could happen in a sense like this, but you got to weigh all your options. Like, but it's definitely going to be a lot. Like, I think they trying to stretch this out no more than 8 weeks. So I would say maybe by end of June, July, it should be set in stone, finalized what it is. He's not taking the plea deal. A lot of people they've been speculating on what the plea deal was. I seen somebody in my comments said it was 5 years. I don't think it was 5 years because, all right, say he been sitting since before the holidays. So basically, he been sitting almost a whole year, right? So you do this math. If they giving him 5, he only gonna do 3.5, maybe 4 on that. So you would only have to do like another 3 more years, and then everything would just be off you. I feel like they offered Diddy at least like 10 to 15, and he said hell no, cause he in his 50s. You get what I'm saying? He ain't used to that. He wouldn't be off of the lifestyle that he lived. His mind, just everything just wouldn't be built for no 10 years. So I feel like it was something like 10 to 15. Now they trying to say life. You get what I'm saying? If he doesn't beat this. So it's like a tricky situation on what you would do. You get what I'm saying? But obviously, like, I guess his attorneys is willing to put up this fight with him, because I don't feel like the attorneys told him to like back down. But hey, we don't know. You get what I'm saying? We don't know what's going on behind closed doors. But I ain't gonna go too much off in the rant. What y'all think about this person, whoever's supposed to be taking the stand? Probably not gonna show up. She's probably not gonna show up, to be honest with you. You get what I'm saying? I want to hear what y'all got to say about this. If there's any more updates, I'll drop another video. But until then, I'm out.